This is my small utility trailer. I mainly use it for like landscaping and stuff. Pick up dirt bikes and stuff on it too, golf carts. But I've got some wiring issues I need to sort out because this weekend I need to get rid of the landscape garbage that's on it. And I think mulch is on sale at Lowe's, so I need to go get a bunch of bags of that too. So first thing I'm gonna do is this connector, the 4-way, definitely drug the ground at some point, and I have a replacement I need to throw on. So I'm gonna start with that and see if that kind of takes care of the wiring and problems I had. Last time I used the trailer, I think I didn't have turn signals at all. So just swap this out and see if that does the trick, and if not, have to kind of dive into it a little bit more. So I actually keep all of my electrical stuff in this toolbox, this like carrying case, just because whenever I need to do stuff, it seems to be wiring like this where I don't have to be finding things in my toolbox in 5 different places. So I just keep everything in here and it keeps it pretty simple. And like I said, I have this 4-way pigtail that I think I bought like a whole wiring kit for a trailer for one of my other trailers a couple of years ago. So I'm gonna cut the old one off, wire the new one in. And actually, it looks like this is the end I need, not this one. Well, this is all wired up now. So like I said, these are heat shrink connectors. I'm just gonna take my small torch here and heat shrink them, and then I'm gonna back my car up to this, just test all the lights, and then pending all that's good, I'm going to then wrap this in either electrical tape again, or I have some Tesa tape that I'll probably use paired with some loom, so to really protect it. That way if it does hit the ground ever again, it doesn't rub through. Well, it looks like the connector pigtail alone didn't cut it, so I'm gonna have to dive into this a little more. Essentially, when I put the turn signals on, or it would be the brakes as well, it doesn't even allow the lights in the exterior to turn on. The turn signal just doesn't even flash on the dash anymore. So I'm gonna look into a few things, do a little bit of research. Maybe I have a short, see what's going on. Well, it's been a couple hours. I had to leave and do something, but I think I figured out what my problem was. Number one, I wired in that new pigtail wrong. Wired some things together that shouldn't have been, but I corrected that. Just kind of have it loosely together now. I need to rewire it completely and do all the tape and the loom. But the other problem I found was at this tail light. So the bulb just wasn't making a good connection inside, so it wasn't grounding, not allowing this light to work. So I think I have all the lights working now. I'm gonna throw this cover on, finish up the wiring up there at the new pigtail, and then test it out again. Got all the wiring and the pigtail cleaned up here and done. I just want to test it and hook it back up to my Xterra before I loom this all together. Well, that pretty much wraps it up. I just tested it. All the lights are working. I need to throw the taillight cover on this side and then just loom that stuff together, but I think I should be all set. And perfect timing because it's starting to rain again. So I'm gonna quick button this up, and then that's a wrap, and I can start using this trailer.